Hello everybody, I hope everything is going well for you. It's been so long that I have posted videos on my channel, but today I am back just to share some ideas with you about that video, okay? So as I always do, I am going to take all my time to explain everything to you so you can understand everything, completely everything. And before starting, I'm asking you please to subscribe to my channel because this is the only one way that you can support me on the channel. Don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, okay? And without wasting any time, guys, let's get started. And this video will be in the key of B flat major, okay? Let's see the first part. Whoa, this is very nice. Okay, let's learn the first part, guys. Okay, so remember that I told you that we will be in the key of B flat major, okay? B flat will be the 1, the C will be the 2, D will be the 3, and we have E flat, that will be the 4, F will be the 5, G will be the 6, and A will be the 7, and back to the 1, okay? So the first movement that it plays is played like this. So it is something like this in the right hand. Okay? Okay? So it is played in octave. The first part is played in octave. You see? 1 8 1 8 7 1 7 5 1 5 2. Okay? Okay, so or we can use this in a worship music. That is a very nice worship movement. Okay, so we can use it with chords also. He did it with his right hand, but we can try to play it with chords. For example, if I play the 1 chord, add 9 chord, and I will try to play this with the 1 chord. You see, it sounds very nice, guys. And I can use it with the 5 chord also. There, this is a F add 11 chord. Let me try to play it with this. You see? Let me try to play it with the 6 chord also. Wow, this is so nice. Let me try to play it with the 4 chord. You see? So we can use this movement with probably all the chords in the key. Okay, with the 2, with the 1, with the 3. Let me try. This is for the 1. I'm going to try with the 2. With the 3, with the 4, with the 5, with the 6, with the 7, back to the 1. Okay? So this is a very nice move. I like it so much. You can use it in worship music. Let's try to use this same movement in the key of C major so you can understand, because I know some of you are beginner pianists. So I am trying to explain everything so you can understand. Let's try to play the same idea in the key of C major. So we have, okay, 1 8 1 8 7 1 7 5 1 5 2. Okay, there I use the sustain pedal, or okay, with the one chord, let me see. This is with the 2 chord. This is with the 4 chord, the 5, the 6, the 7, and back to the 1. Okay, so my 1 chord is a not 9 chord, okay, or like this. And then there, this is a minor 7 chord on the 2. Okay, and there, this is a drop 2 chord. Okay, there, this is a C at 9 chord, and I'm just dropping the 2 there. I'm just dropping the E down, okay, like this, and I'm just put this G there. Okay, and then the 4 there, this is a major 9 chord. Okay, and then there, this is a G add 11 chord. Okay, and then the 6 there, this is a F add 2 chord, but it is played in drop 2 mode. Okay, and then this is a 7. There, this is a G add 2 played in drop 2. Okay, and then back to the 1. So let's move on. Let me see what we can take in that video again. Okay, let me see this. Let's stop it here. Okay, so in the key of B flat, let's turn back. This is okay. Let me see it again. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay, let's see. So this is, okay, just like this. So easy. This is 1 2 3 together, and with 5 3, but we're going to play the 3 like a slur from the 2 to the 3. Okay, you see? So there, this is A, B flat, C, F, C. Okay, there is like a F chord at 11. Okay, like that chord, we just add the 11. Okay, and then to the 5, this is a F chord, F major, and then to the 6, okay, which is a E flat add 2 drop 2. Okay, and then we will go to the 4 to the 3. Okay, the 4, it is an E flat major. To go to the 3, this is a 1 chord, B flat add 2 or add 9, but we just play it as a drop 2 chord. Okay, and then we go to the 7, which is a the F add 9, drop 2 chord, and then back to the 6. Okay, the 6, which is a B flat, back to the 6, which is a E add 9, drop 2 chord. Okay, so let me try to play it again. You got me? So let's try to play the same idea in the key of C major so everyone can understand it. Okay, so let's go in the key of C major, guys. So this is or. Let's see. So this is a 1 chord, add 9 chord. 1, 2, 3 together in my left hand, and then 5 and the 3. But the 3 will be played with a slur from the 2 to the 3. Okay, like this. I hope you see everything. And then there we go to the G add 11 chord. Okay, you see? B, C, D, G, D. Okay? And then go to the 5 of the key of C, which is a G major. And then there to the F add 9 chord. Okay? But we just played as a drop 2 chord. And then to go to the 4. Okay? Which is a F major chord. And then we will just go to the 3. There's a C add 9 drop 2 chord. And then go to the 7. Okay? Is a G add 9, is a G add 9 drop 2, and then back to the 6. Okay, which is a F add 9 drop 2 chord. Okay? So this is so easy. You can play this as a top music, as a top music piece. Okay, if the preacher is talking, is praying, anything, you can just play this. This is so nice. In the key of C sharp major. That one that I played there, it is a one that I play with just a sus2 chord. Okay? When I was in the key of C major, I did. Okay, this is a F sus2 chord. Okay, F, G, C, and I'm just playing it in arpeggio. C, F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G. Okay, I hope you see everything. Or okay, I hope you see everything. So let's try to move on to see what he played again. Let me see guys. Okay, okay, this is easy. Okay, this is the 4, 3, 6, 1, 7, 4. Okay, either the 1 there. Okay, no, it's not there. But this is okay, 4, 3. Okay, 4, 3, 6, 1, 7, 4, then let me see what he did there again. Let me turn it back a little bit. Okay. That is so nice. Let me turn it back again. Okay. Whew. Let's see this, guys. So this move is started on the 4, okay? In the key of B flat major, the 4 is E flat. Okay, so this is what he did. So I'm trying to do it slowly, okay? Okay, it is a little bit difficult for me, but let me try to explain this to you. So this is that is so nice. So let me see. It's like playing third intervals. Okay, this is a, let's see, this is an E flat major third. Okay, E flat major third. It's like a major third interval. Okay, and then there, this is the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we just play it in third. It's like a major third interval. And then there, this is the 6th one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a minor third because the 6 is always minor. Okay, and then what we're going to do is that from this third interval, we're just going to take the second part and play it in an octave higher. This is G. We're just going to put it there. Okay. And then if it was F, we would take that A and put it there in an octave higher. Okay? The same for all the other notes. Okay? It's like playing. Okay? Now, what he plays is played like this. Okay? Okay, there we're going to put the right hand with it. It's like, and then that one. I don't really know exactly the run that he plays, but you can play that one like this. It's like playing E flat at 9 chord in arpeggio. E flat at 9, okay? So we're just going to play it in arpeggio. You see? So, oh, let me take my time. This is so nice. This is so nice. That is so nice, guys. So let's try to move on. Okay. What is this? This is so simple, guys. So let me see. Yes, I hope it is something like this. Okay, we don't need to play exactly the same thing with them, but let's try to share some ideas about this. So, let's see. This is a 2 chord. Okay, so, and then this is a 3 chord. It is a, let's see, this is a, okay, it's like playing the 1 in first inversion. Okay, and then this is a 7, drop 2 chord, and then the 3, the 2 again. This is a C minor 11 chord. Okay,